Hi guys, today we're going to see how the vendor shipping module works in our plugin YITH WooCommerce Multi Vendor Marketplace. Thanks to this module, your vendors will be able to set their own shipping costs, zones, processing time, and more. Before we get into it, let me remind you, of course, to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell down below so that you know every time we have a new video for you. Now, let's get to it. Our multi-vendor marketplace plugin provides administrators an option to decide if they want to allow vendors to manage a shipping module, which will enable them to set their own costs for their shipping methods. Let's see how to enable this option. The admin has to go to YITH, Multi-Vendor, Modules. Here, of course, we're going to find a complete list of all the modules available to extend our marketplace with advanced features, but we're looking for this module right now, vendor shipping. We're going to enable it. Great. So now that the shipping module is enabled, vendors will find a new shipping tab on their dashboards. Let's go over to a vendor dashboard. So if the vendor goes over to your shop, he's going to find a new tab right here, shipping. We're going to select the shipping options subtab first. Now, even though I, the admin, enable the shipping module, vendors have to enable the shipping options for themselves. So we're going to click here, and that's how every vendor would be able to set a default shipping cost for their products. Let's say 10. They're going to be able to set a processing time. They're going to see options like 1 business day, 1 to 3 business days, 2 to 3 weeks, and so on. And then they're going to be able to set the location from where they're shipping their products from. We're going to save these options. And then in the shipping zones subtab, they're going to be able to add shipping zones just like an admin handles WooCommerce shipping zones. They can add a shipping zone like this. They can add a shipping method as well. Let's select flat rate, add shipping method. Let's save. One thing to know is that if there are products from different vendors on the same cart and each vendor configure their own shipping settings, then multiple shipping methods and costs will be applied, one for each vendor. Then there's an extra costs subtab where they can set extra costs based on the number of products in the cart. Let's enable this. And they can create rules like if the cart contains more than, let's say, 5 items, add an extra cost of $10 for each additional product or as a fixed cost. And if the cart contains more than 2 products of the same type, so this is of the same type and this was items in total, add an extra cost of $5 for each additional product or as a fixed cost. Save options. And finally, they have the policies subtab where they're going to be able to enter their shipping policy and their shipping refund policy. Save options. Users will be able to see this on the vendor's product page. Let's go to the site. And here's a product from that specific vendor. We're going to scroll down, and right here next to the vendor and WooCommerce tabs, we're going to find the shipping info tab. So this is this specific vendor's information, the processing time that they handle, ready to ship in 1 business day from the United States, their shipping policy right here, and their shipping refund policy right here. Okay guys, that's how the vendor's shipping module works. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and we'll meet again for our next video.